Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the generic PnP Monitor Not Detected problem in Windows 11. It's a quick and easy method, so let's get right into it. So guys, for the first step, head over to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Once it shows up, go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in Device Manager, look for the section that says Monitors and click the little arrow to expand it. You should see your monitor listed here. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In the list that appears, select Generic PnP Monitor, and then click Next. Give it a moment to install. Once it's done, click Close. Now for the final step, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. Your display should be working more smoothly now. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.